Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay, and today I'm back with another tutorial on how to swap or buy the Near token. So first of all, you're just gonna need a digital wallet, which in my case I have the MetaMask wallet. So let's say you don't have one or you want to create a new MetaMask wallet. All you need to do is just go down below in our channel and you'll find a video on how to create a new MetaMask account. So let's say you already have your MetaMask account. All you need to do now is just come here to the coin market cap website, then type here NEAR, then press at near token. Then this is gonna appear to you, and all you need to do is just copy the address of near token at Binance Smart Chain Network. After you copy the address, all you need then to do is just go to the Pancakeswap website. After you go to the Pancakeswap website, all you need to do, just hover this trade section, then press swap. After that, you should first connect your wallet to this website. You'll just press here connect wallet, then choose your wallet that you're using. For us, we are using MetaMask. Then it's gonna be connected because I already connect my wallet here in this website. They didn't ask me to do anything, but if it's your first time, they will just ask you to press next, then okay, then connect, and it's gonna be connected. So let's say for example you already connect your wallet, so you're just gonna go here and press add cake, then paste the address that you copied, then press import, I understand, and import. So after connecting your wallet, the BNB balance that you have, it will appear here to you. So let's say for example you want to swap 1 BNB to the near token. All you will see here how much near token you will get. So all you need to do is just then press swap here and you'll be all done. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you do like it, please leave a like and a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe.